Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram has added one more new feature, that is you can pin up to 3 posts in your Instagram account. So what does it mean? You can pin your 3 posts. So those 3 posts will be shown in the top of your Instagram account. So you can pin maximum up to 3 posts. You can pin one, two, or three, whatever you like. So how to use this, I will show you. So first of all, you need to open any of your Instagram feed post, and after this click on three dot. Here you can see, just click on this one, and here you will get the option. Here you can see, and here you will get the option to pin. So once you will click on the pin to profile, this post will be pinned in the top of your Instagram profile. So this is a new feature. Currently this is available for a very limited users. So let me know if you have received this update in your Instagram account or not. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.